Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clay bar your car, updated. Start by washing the car thoroughly to remove loose dirt before claying. Work in shaded, cool areas and keep panels wet with a lubricant. Use small, overlapping passes and fold the clay often to expose a clean surface. Rinse the area, dry it, and inspect for smoothness. Finish with a polish or sealant to protect the newly decontaminated paint. I'll walk through the tools and prep you need before claying. Gather a clay bar, lubricant, microfiber towels, a bucket, car wash soap, and a safe drying towel. Ensure the clay is kneaded and free of grit before each panel. Use a gentle lubricant and avoid rubbing dry paint. Keep a small container of water nearby for rinsing towels. Plan to work one panel at a time for best results. Start each panel at the top and work downward using light pressure and straight motions. Move the clay back and forth across the surface in overlapping strokes, checking for rough spots frequently. Fold and knead the clay to reveal a clean face often. Replace lubricant generously if the clay drags or skips. After claying, wipe the panel with a clean microfiber and inspect under strong light for remaining contaminants. Take breaks to avoid rushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.